Refer page number 18. Complete the table. Now I am going to draw the beads now. Beads means what? Money. Money மாலையா கையில் கோப்பன்ல அதுதான் money. This is abacus. Now this one number. See here children, I am going to draw the beads now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now single beads. 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 beads. Now I am going to put this beads in abacus now. See here. Abacus rod, this one, tens place, and this one is in ones place. Okay. Now we are going to draw. See here, in tens place, see how many tens is there? See here, 1, 2, 3. 3 tens is there. This is 1 ten, this is 1 10, this is 1 10. So totally how many tens? 3 tens. So draw here 3 beads. This one you should draw 3, 1, 2, 3. So draw here 3 beads. Totally you count here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See here. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. What is the number? This one? Say the number. 34. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay? Right here, 34. See here. 3 tens, 4 ones. The number is 34. Okay? This is number 1. This is going to write now number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3. This is ones. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 is there. Now we are going to put this one in abacus rod. Tens. This one is ones place. Okay. See here. We are going to write the number here. See how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So draw here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3 in ones place. 1, 2, 3. Say how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. You write here 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Say the number. What number is this one? 43. Okay. Write here 43. Okay. If you count this from 1 to up to till here means 43 will come. You count and write there. See whether 43 is coming there. You count children. Finished? Finished counting? 43 came for you all. Yes. I will give you homework now for you. Okay? The same things only you do homework. Beads, abacus, put in abacus rods, and then you write the numbers. This is homework. Nine, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, draw here separately. 1, 2, 3. Okay? You draw. You should put this one in abacus dots. Okay? Count and write. This is tens place. This is ones place. Okay? You should write here. You should put this count here and write. This is homework for you. What number will come here? You write down. Then 1 and 2 I taught you in the class. 3 and 4 is homework for you. Okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You draw and write here. Tens place, ones place, and you write the number here. Okay? Can you understand, children? Now I am going to, this one also tens place and ones place only, but we are going to do in different way. Okay, I am going to write the numbers from 1 to 99 numbers. Okay. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay children, see here. Write the numbers with the digit 7 either in ones place or in tens place. See here, in ones place you see where the 7 is. Ones place you see children. See, in ones place where is 7? See here. In ones place 7 is here. This all ones place. Okay? This all ones place. You should. This all ones place. Okay? See here. Then tens place you see where 7 is. This is tens place. Okay? This all tens place. Okay? You should write in the page number 19, one box is there. You should write in that box 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. Okay? This one is, this is ones place. This is ones place. 7 is there. Here tens place 7 is there. Okay? I will write here. WRITE. Write the number. Numbers with the digit with the digit 7 either in ones place or in tens place. Ones place இருக்கிற 7ஐயும் டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ் இருக்கிற 7ஐயும் நம்ம எடுத்து இப்போ எழுத போகிறோம். நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லைங்களா, இது வந்து எல்லாம் டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ் இருக்கிற 7, இதெல்லாம் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ் இருக்கிற 7. We are going to write here answer for this one. This one is answer. Say the number, see the chart and say. First I am going to write ones place. This is ones place. Where 7 is, you see 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. All the 7s are in ones place. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. All this in ones place. Now I am going to write the tens place. See, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. This all in tens place. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. This all in tens place. Okay, this is answer. Then next one, write all the numbers with 6 in tens place. Write all the numbers with 6 in tens place. இப்போ நம்ம tens place இருக்கிற எல்லா 6யும் நம்ம எடுத்து எழுத போகிறோம். See, in tens place where 6 is there? See here, 61, 62, 63, 65, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and here 60 is there. This one also, 60 is in tens place. Okay, this is tens place. This is all tens place. Now I am going to write the numbers in 6 in tens place. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 and 69. All these things are in tens place. Now write all the numbers with 8 in ones place. See, where is ones place? This is ones place. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88 and 98. All the 8s are in ones place. This one is in page number 18. Then only you can understand. See the page number 18 in the book. Then only you can understand. See next question. Write all the numbers. Write all the numbers with 8 in ones place. Say 8, 18, 28. You should write all these things. Okay, that is in ones place. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, then 98. Now, which is the number with 9 in both tens place and ones place? See here, 99. Same number is there in ones place also, tens place also, and in ones place also. So this is the 9. The number is 9. Okay, both in nines place and tens place. Write which, W-H-I-C-H, which is the number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number with 9 in both, B-O-T-H, both tens place and ones place. See here, 99. Okay, both in tens place and ones place, 99 is there. So 99 is the answer. Okay children, you will see the rest in the next class. Okay, can you understand children? Tens place, ones place, this is ones, this is tens place, this is ones, this is tens place, this is ones place. This all in 8, all are in ones place only. 88, 98, 68, 38, 28, 18, 8 all in ones place. Okay children, thank you.